Just wanted to go over a few updates that we have for our 4x4. We have been working on these for about the past 12 months, and we're really excited to show you guys some of the new stuff that's coming out. All of these now in the 4x4 are available, so please give us a call and let us know what you need as far as orders go. And if you have any questions on any of the items on the video, please give Lindsay or I a call. All right, let's get started. I'm going to show you first the top section of the Bollard. So if you are looking at this, you can tell the top cap is a little beefier than our Generation 1 top cap. It is a CorTen steel casted top cap. Has all your indentions for your screws, insets. Now, instead of the screw going through the top cap and being visible from the outside, we have a inset here where there is going to be an inset screw tab or a clinch nut as it's called. It's located in the bollard itself, and then a stainless steel hex head screw is actually going to physically hold the top cap on. You do not have to tighten this stainless steel bolt on both sides completely down. If you get it pretty snug, the top cap will come on and off with a little bit of force. So it makes it nice and easy to service the fixture and all of that good stuff. But as you can see, there are two hex head bolts that hold the top cap on, and it is not visible from the outer section or area. Another major change is on the internals. We have eliminated the hexagon-shaped socket holder and eliminated the G4 socket completely altogether. So now it is an integrated module. This LED module shown here is a 4-watt LED module, and there are two adjustments now. So this is going to be an aluminum, we call it a socket holder still, but it's actually an LED module holder. It has slots on either side where it can go up and down in the bollard. So in order to service this unit, you can just loosen these two Allen screws here and pull the aluminum socket holder out and service the LED. Not only is the adjustment here for up and down as far as the amount of light output you get, we have a thumb screw that can be loosened or tightened to vary the height of the LED bulb. Right now this is showing the lowest point that the LED can be, but just with two fingers you can loosen this brass knob and raise this lamp up or lower it. In this case it would lower the LED, and you would need to raise these two screws up. So if you loosen these two, raise this up, and then you can raise and lower this with the thumb screw. This is just showing the socket holder in the lowest point. But as you can see, we eliminated some weak points as far as the G4 bi-pin socket. Now it's an LED integrated module. If you ever need to change that LED integrated module from a lightning strike or any failures, there is a connection point up here which makes it super easy. All right, I'm going to zoom out and we're going to go to the bottom section. So with all of our 4x4 units, now you can order the unit with a surface mount, basically the universal mounting plate if you're mounting it on a concrete pier or an existing surface, or you can order it with our PVC kit. So our PVC mounting kit, as I'll show you in just a second, comes with everything that you need. It will come assembled. So installation is super easy. So it's going to come with a 24-inch, 3-inch Schedule 40 PVC, which slides up into our universal PVC cap. This will be available and able to be used with your 6x6s and 4x4s. Currently, this is showing it just on the 4x4, and as you can see, it is mounted with 4 hex head bolts into the universal mounting plate. So when you order the PVC mounting kit, what you get is the PVC mounting plate, or mounting cap, which is stainless steel casted, and 4 screws that will screw into the PVC, the 24-inch PVC, the 24-inch PVC, and your 4 hex bolts with washers. This makes it super easy for installation because you can just take it right out of the box since it comes fully assembled and stick it in the ground and go onto your next bollard. As far as the changes on the universal mounting plate, we have created an entirely new part, which is also stainless steel. It's a casted part. There are little notches here on all four corners that hold the wire tube. So your wire tube sits off the base ever so slightly. Let's see if I can get a good angle here. So the wire is never pinched. So you always get just a little bit of an area here where the wire can flow either out the side or into the interior of the universal mounting bracket. Another feature is it has these 4 large tabs with supports, so it's stronger. It's stainless steel, so no longer are we threading steel parts. We are now threading stainless steel parts where the threads will be perfect for years to come. These are a little bit thicker, so these tabs are a little thicker to give you extra thread points or strength. The slots in the bollard now, this is our Generation 2 bollard we're showing you, which has slots on all 4 sides. So you can mount your PVC cap and PVC into the ground with your universal mounting plate on it. And these 4 screws come attached to the universal mounting plate, so you can just slide the bollard directly onto the universal mounting plate. Super easy install. We were just taking feedback from over the years that we've received, and we tried to make something that was flexible and super easy for all of our guys to use, not only if installing on PVC, but also on existing concrete or concrete piers that you have poured. If you guys have any questions, please give Lindsay or I a call. We're here to help, and we look forward to working with you more in the future. Talk to you guys soon.